In this video, we are going to study the next theory, Genic balance theory. In previous lecture, we are studying the chromosomal theory of sex determination. And the next one is Genic balance theory. The living organisms are divided into male and female individuals. The sexes of individuals are genetically determined. Biological system which determines the development of sexual characters in an organism is called as sex determination. And this sex determination is of two types: chromosomal sex determination and non-chromosomal sex determination. The sex determination in case of Drosophila is studied by the scientist Clavin. The chromosomal sex determination shows that the sex chromosomes are most important for determining the sex of that individual. Presence or absence of particular sex chromosome or the relative ratio of the sex chromosome determines the sex of individual. Similar to human beings, Drosophila, that is fruit flies, shows XX chromosomes in female and XY chromosomes in male. These are the conditions called homogametic females and heterogametic male. However, the mechanism of sex determination is quite different in Drosophila from human being. The sex chromosomes and sex determination. In case of human, Y chromosome is actual sex determining chromosome, means the genes for maleness are present on Y chromosome in case of human being. Invariable to number of X chromosomes, the presence of Y chromosome initiate the development of male sex in human embryo. Means the maleness is developed in embryo due to this Y chromosome. In human, XX and XY individuals will be always female and male respectively. Means XX individual always female and XY individual always a male. In human, double X or XXY and triple X means XXXY individuals are also male because presence of this Y chromosome which carries the genes for maleness. Means such a rare cases also show the maleness because of Y chromosome. The sex determination in Drosophila is different from human. Drosophila has 8 chromosomes. Out of that 4 pairs, 3 pairs of autosome and 1 pair is of sex chromosome. Drosophila possess XX and XY sex chromosome similar to human being, but this is similarity only in sex chromosome, but unlike the human being, Y chromosome does not have any role in determining the sex of individual. Means presence or absence of Y is not important in case of Drosophila. Sex in Drosophila is determined by the ratio of X chromosomes to that of the number of set of autosomes. Means the genic balance theory explains the balance of sex chromosomes with autosomes. In case of human being, it is related with presence or absence of X and Y. But in case of Drosophila, it is dependent on the balance or a ratio of autosomes and sex chromosome, because the genes required for maleness are not limited to these sex chromosomes. They are present in autosomes also. We will see in detail. In simpler form, sex determination in Drosophila is achieved by balance of female determinants on X chromosome and male determinants on autosomes. Means genes for determinants for femaleness are present on X chromosome, and determinants or genes for maleness are present on autosomes. This type of sex determination is called as genic balance system. This system proposed by scientist Clavin Bridges in 1926. Genic balance system of sex determination also explain the reasons for the occurrence of sexual variants in fruit fly population, such as variants means different forms, such as intersex, meta males, meta females, apart from the normal male and normal female individuals. Means these intermediate sexes are explained with help of this balance theory. In next slide we will see one by one. Sex of fruit fly individuals according to X by A ratio. X means X chromosome, A means autosomes. This ratio, if X by A ratio is a 1, the individuals will be female. If X by A ratio is 0.5, then this individual will be male. If this ratio, X by A ratio, is between 1 to 0.5, the individuals will be intersex. Individuals which are mixture of male and female characters are called as intersex. If X by A ratio is more than 1, then individuals are called as meta females, and they have several developmental problems and they usually do not emerge from the pupal stage. Means they cannot attain a normal adult stage. If X by A ratio is below 0.5, this last point, if X by A ratio is below 0.5, then individuals will be meta males. These meta males are sterile and weak, that is not suitable for surviving the next generation. the in usual conditions, Drosophila has either one or two X chromosome and two sets of autosomes. If there is two X chromosomes and two sets of autosomes, as in usual females, the individual will be female because 2 by 2 is equal to 1. If there is one X chromosome and one Y chromosome, the set of autosome became a 1 by 2. Hence, answer become a 0.5 and that individual will be male. These figures which indicates maleness, femaleness or the intermediate conditions. If the number of X or number of Y considered, Y is inert, hence it is not considered in this table. Number of X and number of autosomes, they are calculated, and if ratio is seen, X by A ratio, when it is 1.5 or more than 1, it is called as a meta-female, and the normal female has a ratio 1. When the number of sex chromosome and number of X chromosome is similar, then it is normal female. 4 by 4 or 3 by 3, 2 by 2 also. When it is in between 1 and 0.5, then it is called as intersex. In this case, 2 X chromosomes and 3 autosomes are there, hence it is intersex. Then if ratio is 0.5, it is normal male, and when it reduces, then the 0.5, that is 1 by 3 condition, at that time it is a 0.3, then it is called as meta male. In this way, these flies, fruit flies, shows a determination of sex of embryo on basis of number of autosomes as well as X chromosome, and Y chromosome has no any value or no any gene for the maleness or femaleness. Hence, this theory is called as sex determination theory. There are many suggestions regarding the exact molecular mechanism of this genic balance system of sex determination in Drosophila. The exact mechanism is still unknown. The studies shown that X chromosome contain female determining factors and autosome contains a male determining factors. Y chromosome in Drosophila does not have any role in sex determination. Hence, the sex is determined by genic balance or X by A ratio.